Hello and welcome to my review on Hotforex, a market-making brokerage firm that is based in Cyprus and several other places around the world, St. Vincent the Grenadines, Republic of Seychelles, Mauritius, South Africa. So they are a global CFD and Forex brokerage firm. You can see that leverage is up to 1 to 1,000. 12 trading platforms. Now, this is the well-known MetaTrader 4 and 5 system, so you guys probably know all of that. 24/5 customer support in 24 languages. You can see that there is, with the account types, you can go to the account comparisons. You can see there's 6 different types of accounts. It's a micro. You can start it with as little as $5, premium at 100, zero at 200. Zero, of course, is zero spread. Auto, which is an algorithmic trading package. PAM, which is the money managers type of, if you're controlling multiple accounts, you can see that the leverage does change depending on the account. And here, an HF copy. This is their copy. Think of like other brokerages around the world where you either are a provider or a follower. You follow somebody you like, they grow your money, or vice versa. Spreads are variable everywhere except for the HF copy. Pretty straightforward, though. The initial deposits, like I said, are very reasonable. Leverages do depend on the account, but the lowest leverage here is 1 to 300. The payment methods are pretty extensive. You can see that we have wire transfers, Union Bay, Maestro, MasterCard, Visa. They even allow Bitcoin, Bitcoin by Skrill, FastPay, plenty of other ones. So you shouldn't have too many issues depositing money. Withdrawal just works in the opposite. So pretty straightforward. The extras, most of it in the education. There's video tutorials, webinars, seminars, education, and e-course. This is pretty well basic and then continues much higher as far as complexity. And they are pretty good with their webinars and video tutorials. This area here, the first one, of course, is, your basic if you've never traded before. There are plenty of instruments to trade. So, for example, Forex, metals and energies, indices, shares, commodities, cryptos, and bonds. So let's say we click in bonds. You can see the UK gilt, Euro Bund, and the 10-year in the United States. They have the expiration dates. These are CFDs, of course. Shares, pretty sizable take on shares. You can see that they have 56 total shares. Basically, you're looking at the United States and the UK. There are some European shares there as well. Euronext, for example. You can go ahead and see the swap rates. It'll explain all that to you. Pretty straightforward brokerage. They've been around for 8 years. They have 1.3 million accounts plus. So obviously well known and well trusted. They do have promotions that change from time to time, so you're probably going to want to look into this when you sign up. But certainly worth paying attention to, because if you can get bonuses, then obviously that's something to keep in the back of your mind. All in all, a good broker, but like I said, been around almost a decade, trusted by over 1 million accounts. So clearly it has been tried and true.